Hello, trading is closed on April 20, 2020. So over our calls. Look for the pattern with the early high. This is it. Tomorrow here's the early low. We said this wall into the close, if it were the real thing, should continue without interruption. But often this was a false rally by short covering. And if that were the case, we thought we gapped down, promptly undercut this low, which we did, and we said if that happened, it would have negative implications for the market. We did trade lower. I still think it's a negative pattern, but it doesn't mean you have to drop every day. A high percentage of the time, not every time, when you have this hole in the wall gap, you retrace, fill the gap, overtake the high, and then find resistance there. Usually it'll happen tomorrow. If not, it happens by early Wednesday. But if it doesn't happen by early Wednesday, you just write it down for future reference, because I've seen this thing take months if it doesn't print soon. So here's what we said. We had the big gap down. It's the first step towards indicating this bear market rally is over. So we have the first step. We're waiting for confirmation, which would be undercutting some of these lows. We did get sell signals from MEJT. It just says there are lower targets. It doesn't say when to enter. It does say this rally is false and will retrace. That's all played out. Well, here's the idea. We're 600 points below this line. We want to trade 600 points over it. We're not there yet, but we could be there by the end of the week. So this is in an area where that methodology indicates we're pretty close to completing the upside requirement. If this is the right count, and so far it's working, and that's wave blue A, and we finished wave blue B, which is my working hypothesis. I've penciled this in, not ink. And wave blue C often will have some kind of Fib relationship with wave blue A, gives you a few targets. Tomorrow's pattern has the early low. We could gap up first. Today's gap should fill at some point, but if it doesn't fill promptly, it doesn't have to happen anytime soon. This is a pattern compatible with the rally leg ending soon if it hasn't already ended. Still need confirmation, but other than that, I don't have anything specifically for tomorrow. We'll talk to Norm Winsky after the close. Maybe he'll share his view with us and tell us what the stars have to say about this. So tomorrow has the early low. Doesn't mean you won't gap up. And even though this typically fills promptly and should fill at some point, it doesn't really have to fill promptly. And because we're possibly quite close to the end of bear market rally, I'm not really looking for long entries here. I'm looking for confirmation and places to go short, and that's today's call.